ladies and gentlemen, we are here to commission a community hospital. Like you know, the equipment that we use here, there is one. If somebody is even sick, if you put the machine in his body, the person will come. Wake up. Malachew! Why the family of the commissioner here? Malachew, what is it? I don't live with the project. I give a look at it. I never commission it. It's for the
this one when you see so, this one we know say another people go do it. We know say that this one we the contract where they give us, but this one now with the commission so that we can put the money.
Malachew, let me remind you. Were you not the one that belonged to me $5 million that they gave you to go and do that load, and you went to go and pour side? Now it is time from my own contract. You want to come and spoil it? Don't worry, I have given you Vale 5 billion. Vale will give you something. Oh, so Vale, what's up my commission for inside?
I say make you put down small. I don't tell you say I will go say to you, but inside the money, now only $2 million of your money.
Take it to Vale. Will I be tip? Vale, I be tip one like let him around. It's okay. Let me tell you, all this argument, even if you go to the north, you go to the east, and you come to the south, let me tell you, that is what politicians do. They send the audio project as if they have done it, and they will chop the money. Meanwhile, the project are still there. So, please, let's do this chap, and commit on before you know this place to come and pursue us. You know, I need to go and submit this project, so I will get another contract. In the name of the Father, the Son,
and the ancestor of our land.